A square plate of 0.2 meter side moves parallel to a second plate with a velocity of 0.2 meter per second, both plate being immersed in water. A viscous force is 0.04 Newton and the coefficient of viscosity is 0.01 poise. The distance between the two plates in meter is. So over here we are considering that two plates are moving relative to each other, and so it moves parallel to second plate with a velocity of 0.2. So assume that this is moving with a velocity 0.2 and this plate is at rest, and there is a liquid between them. So when there is a relative motion, this liquid is going to oppose the motion of this plate while exerting some viscous force. And if you would like to move it with a constant velocity, we need to apply the same force in the opposite direction. So we are applying a force which is equal to viscous force, and we know the equation for viscous force is equal to eta into A into dV divided by dx. And Rm is to find out the value of distance between the plate, or that is dx. So we can write dx is equal to A into dV divided by f. Here the value of eta is given as nothing but 0.01, but it is given in poise. So we know that the relation between poise and Poiseuille is 10 poise is nothing but 1 Poiseuille. So we need to convert this poise into Poiseuille while multiplying it with 10 raised to minus 1. So remember that poise is a unit in CJ system, not in SI system, and we are going to find out the distance in meter. That means we should calculate it in like SI system. So that's why I'm just converted it from poise to Poiseuille. Relation is nothing but 10 poise is equal to 1 Poiseuille, or 1 poise is 1 by 10 of Poiseuille. Into area is given as nothing but a square plate of 0.2 meter side. So area we can take it as L square, which is 0.2 into 0.2, which is 0.04 into dV, that is difference in velocity. So we'll assume that this layer is at rest and this is moving with a velocity which is given as 0.2. So difference in velocity between layers we can take it as 0.2 divided by force is given as nothing but 0.004. So you can find out the value of this dx over here. This 0.404 and this 0.04 get cancelled. So the 0.1 term will be there. So this becomes equal to, we can take it as 2. So this will be something like 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, or you can write 0.0000